The SABER 2000 Lumen LED cordless underhood light with 25-foot removable cord features the performance of a corded light with the convenience of a rechargeable design. This award-winning 40-inch light bar features SABER's constant current design to deliver the rated light output throughout the battery charge cycle. The large padded hooks extend from 55 inches to 83 inches to fit new SUVs and light trucks, and offer easy attachment with increased stability. The included 25-foot removable cord remains flexible in cold weather and is oil and grease resistant. It has a quick connect plug for fast and reliable power connection. This underhood light offers two settings for varied brightness and run times. 1000 lumens on low and 2000 lumens on high for maximum area illumination. The 7.4 volt 5200 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable battery offers longer life and consistent power. This product also includes SABER's new human body sensor. This exclusive 360-degree microwave radar sensor automatically activates the light when a human body is within 10 to 15 feet, and turns off when out of range. It saves battery power and life cycle. Please visit atdtools.com for more information on this product or to see the full line of SABER lighting.